If you decide to enter the world of Excel, you better get used to errors. Let's go down the list of common errors, what they mean, how to fix them. Up first, the most basic of all errors, the hashtag error. As far as errors go, they don't get easier to fix than this one. It pretty much just means the data the formula is returning is bigger than the space provided. So all you need to do is make the column a little bit bigger and you should be all set. Hashtag name. This just means that you've got a typo in your function. Did you type smif instead of sumif? Dat function instead of date function? Spell the function right and the error should drop. Hashtag div over 0. You are trying to divide by 0, which is mathematically impossible. Stop. Hashtag NA. This happens on things like lookup functions. The value you put in is not in the table array. Hashtag null. Typo thing again, but this time with the data, not the function name. So in this example, you just need to put a colon or a comma where you left a blank space on accident. Hashtag value. You are doing the equivalent of trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. This is not the type of data that Excel was expecting. You said equals year B2, and B2 is not a date. Hashtag ref. The data you are referencing is gone, like you deleted a row or a sheet or something. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there are any errors that I missed in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe.